Ever wish weight loss had a press here to feel full button? Well, the internet thinks it found one, and it involves gelatin. Yep, the same stuff that makes jelly wobble like your motivation on leg day. Recently, the viral gelatin pre-meal trick linked to Jennifer Ashton has been popping up everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, wellness blogs, basically the whole internet buffet, so I tried digging into it like a hungry detective. Here's the idea: before meals you mix unflavored gelatin with warm water, drink it, then eat normally. That's it, no magic powder, no complicated routine, no only eat moonlight and hope diet. Why do people say it works? First, gelatin thickens in liquid, which can create a mild feeling of fullness, not a miracle, just basic food science and stomach mechanics. If you feel slightly full before eating, chances are you'll naturally slow down and eat less. Second, it creates a pause before meals, and honestly, that pause might be the real hero here. Because most of us don't eat meals, we attack them like they insulted our family. From a realistic standpoint, it's simple, easy to try, based on habit control, not extreme dieting. But let's keep it honest, this isn't some overnight fat melting hack. If your meals are still triple cheeseburgers and midnight snacks, gelatin alone isn't saving you. Think of it as a mindful eating helper, not a miracle cure. So should you try it? If you want a cheap, simple way to slow down and maybe manage portions, sure, it's worth testing. Just treat it as a tool, not magic. And hey, if drinking warm gelatin before dinner stops you from inhaling the whole fridge, that wobble might actually be working. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.